The following guide will help you set up your new school phone. We will start by unboxing the device and its components. Inside the box, you will find a quick start guide, the IP phone, a stand, an Ethernet cable, a handset, and finally, the handset cord. We will start by plugging the handset cord into the bottom of the handset. Then we will plug the other end of the handset cord into the bottom port on the left side of the IP phone. Next, we will grab a nearby Ethernet cable. First, we will plug one end of the Ethernet cable into a wall port, which you can find in your room. Then, with the other end of the cable, we will plug it into the back side of the IP phone in a port labeled Internet. The phone will then begin initializing. This process will take between 5 to 10 minutes, and the phone will restart multiple times. Next, grab your phone stand and turn your phone around to its back side. Here you'll see 4 holes that will line up with the gliders on the stand. Simply line the gliders up, press in, and slightly push the stand up to secure it. After this setup ends, your phone will be ready to use. If you encounter any problems, please contact technology.